Hello everyone, today is September 5th, 2022 and we still have persimmons on the tree. Look like they're still growing well. Here's the lower branch. We still have 4 here. I start seeing birds come by, but so far they haven't really messed with it yet. Here is another branch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. So I think we still have 2 more months to go, right? So hopefully these babies ones stick around. The trunk is gotten really big here. Yeah, it seemed like this year it grew a lot. Earlier this year it was more of this size here, and now it's grew almost 2 times. And here is another branch. This is the most right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far they're doing great. All right, thanks for watching guys. I'll be back next week.